do I have to say to keep you by my side? How to start in a liquefied.
I'm just setting up my desk now because I have tutor soon, but this morning the sun was so nice. I was trying to film a TikTok, but it just did not go as planned, and so I have nothing now except I just like wasted some time, but that's okay.
Coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're
It's so crazy. Oh my goodness, I don't know how to feel. So I did end up taking one extra course. Like, I think what happened was that one of my transfer credits didn't go into the proper spot that it was trying, like the requirement that I was going to take up, and so I thought I had one more of those requirements, so I took an extra course, and now I find out that like I had one extra course. Like, I guess one extra course is not that bad, but I'm just like, my money.
learn to swim like I never know. I see it now. Everything will be okay.
I really didn't think I would film this, but I also just thought, why not, because there are some things that I just want to like get out there. But usually I feel very like energetic and productive in the mornings, but then for some reason whenever it gets to like nighttime, like I don't have much to do, so I go to bed early and then I end up just sitting here like doing stuff on my computer, on my phone. And for the past few days, like I just get like so anxious at night, and I've just been feeling so like stuck, like especially at nighttime. I just find myself like scrolling on social media, and like my brain isn't even processing everything that's happening. I'm just like, it just feels very mundane. And so I think because of the pandemic and not being able to go out and just do random things, and every day I just don't really know what to do with my life. And in the mornings it's okay because I have actual tasks to do. Like, I have to wake up, I make my coffee, I tutor, and then now I only have one class, and so on the other days I have like no idea what to do, and I'm getting to the point where I'm bored of not doing anything. But yeah, that's where I'm at. The video is probably out already, but I've been wanting to make the Notion video for the longest time, but like I just felt so unmotivated at nighttime because I usually like to edit in the evening to the night, and like I don't know what's happening. But yeah, I hope that wasn't like too negative. I just thought that I should share some of my thoughts in case someone else is feeling the same, and just to let you guys know that you're not alone. And this isn't like me saying that I'm like in a really bad place, like that's not at all, but it's just once in a while I get these emotions that like just take me over, and it's like I know it's gonna go away, and I usually know when it comes because I know myself enough to know when my emotions are not cool. I hope tomorrow gets a bit better. Usually these don't last more than like 3 days maybe. So I just finished the workout, and I didn't film it because I just wanted to focus on the workout, and I didn't want to just like care too much about my camera. But I want to show you guys. So basically I used to work out a lot to YouTube videos, but like because of that I know a lot of different exercises to do. I know like different like just things that I can do on my mat. So now instead of following videos, I'm trying to get into the habit of listening to more podcasts. And so today, for example, instead of doing a workout video, I listened to a podcast from a friend, and then I just did some stretching and exercises to like however my body wanted to move basically. I'm still trying to like set up my morning routine right now, which is why I'm kind of like trying different things and seeing how things work, and not jumping in like straight into working out every single day. Because what I find out is that the more I force myself to do something just because it works for other people doesn't necessarily mean that it works for me. And so the more I do it, the more I just get discouraged, because like working out is honestly a lot if you just jump from 0 to like 100. And if anything, I really learned that I shouldn't go from 0 to 100. That used to be the old me. I'm trying to let go of that just because like I used to be such a perfectionist in a way. Like I still am, but I'm trying to learn how to better manage my productivity, my energy, just a different kind of thing. Like I realize that I don't have to always go head into something 100% because if that tires me out at the end and I experience burnout again, it's only going to like hurt myself. And so I'm just like learning as I go. So I worked on my video and I have class soon, but I got an Amazon package and basically I got these hair and like skin gummies, vitamin stuff, because I'm gonna try and grow up my nails. You guys might notice in some of my videos, but I have really super short bitten nails. It's something that I've like struggled with for a long time. It's like my longest bad habit that I am never able to just get rid of. It's one of my #1 like stress coping mechanisms. So whenever I'm stressed, like this is how I choose to relieve it, and I really want to change that this year. So we're gonna try and take some more biotin stuff, and then I also got a nail growth like nail polish. It's supposed to like help it grow faster but also strengthen your nails at the same time. I'm at the point where I think if I grow my nails out, I'm going to just pay myself to get like manicures done or get like extensions, or not extensions but just get gel nails so that I can keep up the habit for a little bit, and then I'll also won't like peel them off. I'll get them like professionally taken off if I need to, using money to motivate myself not to bite it. But yeah, I just called a friend and we were talking about how like we don't really know what to do with our lives during this pandemic. For her, she's finished school, so she's just working right now, and then for me, I only have one course, and so I think it's just on that topic of like what do people do or who are we after school. I've been thinking recently about how much I would actually miss like studying and making notes and like making pretty notes. Like I just can't imagine not being a student after being a student ever since like kindergarten. And it's crazy that like everything is like ending, and it's like, what do I do if I'm not studying? These are so good. That's yummy. Since it's the first day of classes, I don't really have a system set up, so I think I might be using this as my second monitor, and then we're gonna try this out and see how it goes. Good morning. It is Friday morning and I am pretty tired today, so I'm just gonna take things slow. I didn't work out this morning. I kind of just stayed in bed until I wanted to roll out of bed. So now it's already 9:47. So I have 45 minutes before tutoring, and right now I'm just going to set up my YouTube post. I usually edit until very late, and then if I have time I finish the thumbnail, and then usually the next day before I upload, that's when I do my descriptions. But yeah, I'm very tired today. I don't know why. I just feel like so like emotionally drained. I don't know why. Yesterday was a pretty good day, so I don't know, but I'm gonna remember to take my gummies.
Got it. Here's Spotify.
Walking over to you, while watching my time.
我係一個 UBC 學生嘅，咁之前呢，你咪同我哋做咗個訪問，拍咗條片嘅，記唔記得？I'm finally at my desk now. It has been a pretty crazy morning. It honestly feels like I've been working on that cake for a long time, but it's only 1 o'clock, which isn't too bad. So I still have lots of time to get things done today. But now I think I'm just gonna go on my laptop and do some just quick work to prepare for tomorrow, and then today should be a restful like reset kind of day for me, just because like on the weekends I do try not to do too much, but sometimes I procrastinate, and so I end up having to do something on the weekends. I keep forgetting to drink water.
Sin or shy, I wanna know your name. Baby, you're bubbly and radiant. You got some flavor and I'm trying to savor it.